whose name has emerged in the Choksi abduction theory, Gurjeet Bhandal, has now claimed that he has no relation to the case. Remember, his name was found on the travel list issued by the company that owned the yacht allegedly used by Choksi to travel to Dominica. He claims that he's not linked to the case and is ready to cooperate with Antiguan authorities in the probe. Let's cut across to Shivani, who's reporting on this now. Shivani, the person that we see on our screens right now, Gurjeet Singh Bandala, has been closely associated, according to the Antiguan authorities, with the abduction theory. He, however, now says that he has nothing to do with this. Give us more details of what you're picking up on this.
Nupur, we know that Mehul Choksi and his lawyers have claimed that they were abducted. Mehul Choksi was abducted, and they have also named a few people. And one of those people who've been named by Mehul Choksi's lawyers is Gurjeet Bhandala, who has now opened up for the first time. And he has said that he is just not related to the case. And he was in the Caribbean island with his friend. He was sailing for some time, but he had already left the Caribbean island, Dominica, on 23rd morning on a yacht. Gurjeet Bhandal has also said that he has a business in United Kingdom, and he is a resident of United Kingdom, and he had come for a short while to Dominica, where he was sailing with his friend, and he had returned on 23rd of morning. While we know that Mehul Choksi's abduction story is of 23rd May night. So these are the two different versions that are coming in, one from Gurjeet Bhandal, another from the lawyers of Mehul Choksi, who say that he had been abducted, he was assaulted on the way. And apart from Gurjeet Bhandal, Nupur, there are several other names also which have been complained about by Mehul Choksi and his lawyers, and they have named these people, and they have said that these people were involved in the alleged abduction of Mehul Choksi. But there are different theories. We have also heard the doctors from the Dominica China Friendship Hospital who have said that the kind of bruises Mehul Choksi has been showing and calling them the assault marks seem to be quite different, and they have nothing to do with assault, and the theory there weakens. And now this man who has been named in the FIR by Mehul Choksi and his lawyers has clearly said that he was not present in Dominica when this whole abduction theory has popped up. He had already left the island in the morning, though the police will be investigating. But it's very important how different links are coming in, and if the dots are connected, there are a lot of misappropriations and misinformations that seem to come up now, though it's a matter of investigation by the police in Dominica and Antigua. But what this man is claiming is that he was not connected at all to the case. He was there in Dominica for some time, and he had returned before Mehul Choksi went absconding.
Absolutely. Stay with us on this. We are getting more news on this. Now, we are in fact getting an update in the Mehul Choksi case, as the Dominican government has now classified the fugitive Diamanter as an illegal immigrant. The government has written to the chief of police asking them to take steps for his swift repatriation. Now, Shivani, if I could come back to you on this one, the Dominican government very, very keen right now to make sure that Mehul Choksi actually leaves the country. They say that he's not. He needs to be repatriated swiftly. But even as the cases are still there in the courts over there, have they asked for him to be repatriated to Antigua or to his country of origin, that is India?
Nupur, this letter written by the Home Minister of Dominica is a very important letter. It is a very important document that will build up the case for India, which has been trying for the repatriation of Mehul Choksi back to India. Though in this letter, the Home Minister, he has written to the Chief of Police of Dominica, calling Mehul Choksi a prohibited immigrant. And the word prohibited has a lot of meaning. He cannot be in Dominica, and as soon as possible, he needs to be repatriated back. So whether he'll be repatriated to Dominica Antigua or to India is a big question. But it's quite important here to understand that the Antiguan Prime Minister has already stated that the citizenship acquired by Mehul Choksi of Antigua was based on misinformation. It is still an unsettled case that had taken place. And now with so many incidents happening and documentation kept by the multiple agencies of India in the Dominican High Court have built the case stronger for India, and it means that Indian authorities are making sure that Mehul Choksi is repatriated back to India. So it's quite possible when the repatriation word is used here by the Home Minister, it it means that he should be repatriated to India, because we know that a lot of statements were coming in from both the authorities in Dominica as well as Antigua, who had said that they are full supportive for India, which has been working hard. The investigative agencies in India have been working hard for Mehul Choksi's repatriation, and the CBI, the ED and other agencies are also working on the repatriation of Mehul Choksi. We also heard the lead lawyers and all the experts who have been saying that India has a very strong case. Interpol has already issued a red corner notice on Mehul Choksi. His citizenship is under a lot of questions in Antigua, and now the Dominican Home Minister, who has written a letter clearly to the Chief of Police and also to Mehul Choksi, declaring and calling him a prohibited immigrant to Dominica. So he has no right to be in Dominica, and soon he'll be out. And India is quite hopeful that he will be in India very soon.
Absolutely. And as you're pointing out, of course, Indian authorities have been working very hard to make sure that he comes back to the country. Thank you very much for joining us, Shivani.